Finally, tonight, the Factor tip of the day. As mentioned, I appeared on Good Morning America to promote Keep It Pithy this morning. And Stephanopoulos made me tell this story. I was in a car with Elton John one time. It was the longest car ride of my life. I'm a pretty good conversationalist,
right?
You know, I mean, you and I, we could talk for like hours, right? I mean, every time I come on, it's easy to talk to Stephanopoulos. But I'm trying to talk to Elton John. I'm trying to say, hey, you know, you're a Brit and you come to America. What do you like about this country? You know, it was like, okay, it's a little bit funny. I started singing his songs. Yes, I did. Just to relax the guy, I tried to say, hey, how do I sound here? And he's a Crocodile Rock, you know. But he's a kind of a guy who, I guess he was suspicious of me, as many people are. He didn't really want to engage in that conversation, so it's a funny story in the book. So I guess the Factor tip of the day is don't get in a car with Elton John. Or maybe it's don't try to sing on national TV. Take your pick. And that is it for us tonight. Please